Hey guys, I'm Mandy.
And I'm Courtney.
We're from Vintage Revivals and you are here for episode 5 of the Merc renovation. On this episode, we are talking all about smart home. Everything from security to lighting.
And how it all integrates through the hub. Y'all know the Merc is terribly old and dysfunctional.
It's adorably old and slightly functional.
Well, it just depends on if you're using a square or not. If you're using a square, it's dysfunctional.
So we are taking this 100-year-old building that we love and we're reviving it, we're bringing it back to life, and one of the things that we're doing is adding smart home technology. 8 to 10 years ago, when you had a smart home, the entire system was like built into your house and it all worked together, and if one thing broke, you were done. The way smart items work now is you can buy one piece here, one piece there, and integrate it into your house. The one slight problem is that because you can take things piece by piece, they all have their own technology and they all have their own app. So that's why you need a hub. A hub is basically the home base for all of the smart home products in your house. They all integrate together and that makes it work with one app, which is awesome. We have the Wink Hub 2. You can get it at Home Depot or online at homedepot.com. And basically all it does is makes your smart home simple. It takes all of the devices in your smart home and it brings them into one place and one app. So basically we have our thermostats and our cameras and our light switches and our water heater. They all talk, and this translates all of them and puts them into one app for us to use.
Mandy's favorite thing is the cameras because she can sneak peek into everything.
This is a Nest camera and it is one of my favorite smart home features. I love it because it looks really good. It's very stylish and I can have it on the shelves in my kitchen and it doesn't take away from the design of the space. I also really love the functionality of it. See, I'm at Home Depot because I always am at Home Depot, and I get a notification on my phone saying that someone came into the kitchen. Well, I can hop on and I can see that it's Dylan. She's getting the snack and I can talk to her through the camera. Dylan.
What?
I bought you some strawberries. They're in the fridge.
Cool, thanks, Mom.
Okay, bye. Every time someone walks into this space, I get an alert on my phone that says someone is there. So I can see when Court goes to the refrigerator at 3 o'clock in the morning and also at 4:30 in the morning.
So I can't blame all those peanut butter fingerprints that are across the house.
No, they are his.
Yeah, you now know that it's me.
I have proof.
Yeah.
So it is required by law to have a smoke detector and a carbon monoxide detector in every bedroom and main space in your house. We are using the Nest Protect. It is a smoke alarm, a carbon monoxide detector, and also is a nightlight. The nightlight feature is super cool. When everything around it is dark, it detects motion. So like when you're walking down the hallway in the middle of the night, it brightens up the space and kind of illuminates it without having to turn any lights on. One of the other things that I love is that it has a feature called Nightly Promise. So when you turn off all of the lights in this space, the circle on it will glow green, and that tells you that the battery is good, that everything is connected, and that everything looks good. And
one of the most aggravating things that I have in my life is Mandy likes to keep the temperature at a 74 degree, 75 degree.
It's perfect.
Where it really should be somewhere around 68 degrees.
There is a reason that Nest thermostats are the leader in the industry, and that is because they are so cool. You can do everything, obviously, from controlling the climate in your house, heat, cool. You can set it on eco mode. It lights up when you walk past. It pulls the outside temperature. You can set a schedule, so if you like to go to bed at 9 o'clock and you want to start winding down and cool the house down before then, you can set that to happen every day. It is so amazing.
Another great thing about the Nest is that you can change it from anywhere in your house from the app. Okay guys, so we chose the Rheem water heater, one that is EcoNet friendly so we can integrate it into our smart home. And it allows us the capability to change the heat when we're not here at home, or change the heat, we can change the temperature wherever we want to change it to. Vacation setting, so when we leave, it will go into eco-friendly setting. Also, very important, as you guys know, I hate water and I hate water leaking more. So this will let us know if this water heater starts to leak, which is generally the only problem you're ever gonna have with a water heater.
We're in Court's favorite room,
The laundry room.
The laundry room, because he's the only one that does laundry.
I know.
We have our new Samsung washer and dryer that has smart home integration. And to make your washer and dryer smart, you need an adapter. You connect this USB into the port, and then you connect it to the Samsung smart home app on your phone, and you can monitor your laundry. So Court can get an alert when my clothes are done.
Or Mandy could get an alert for 4 days straight, letting you know that her laundry's done.
So you can monitor the time that's left on your laundry loads. You can start it and restart it if you need to.
Or you can put your load in there, and if you know you're gonna be out for a while, you can start it when you know you're gonna be back, and it will be ready to go.
Yep.
With it being a 100-year-old building, the walls are a lot thicker than normal standard buildings today. So what we've had to do is we've had to boost the Wi-Fi in order to combat the bomb shelter effect that the Merc has. So we have installed these Deco Wi-Fi boosters that allow us to spread Wi-Fi throughout the whole Merc.
So easy to install.
Super simple,
Everything
no big deal.
pretty much sets itself up.
Yeah, when I had to set it up, I was dreading it, but then all of a sudden I just download an app, it would do everything for me, so.
Yeah.
And
awesome.
that's the type of setup I like.
If you've been on the fence about incorporating smart home tech into your house,
Or you've been scared,
we hope that maybe showing you how we've used it in the Merc has given you a little bit of confidence, because if it can work for the Merc,
it can work for you.
We should say that at the
Wow.
same time. Ready?
That was-
1, 2, 3. It can
No.
work for you. Hey! That's so You guys do not want to miss the next episode. We are doing a full walkthrough before and after of phase 1 of our construction at the Merc. I feel like I'm gonna cry. You might cry.
I won't. I will not even begin to tear up.